Hello, stranger, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of everyday English phrases. Our focus will be on a common, yet intriguing expression. Hello, stranger. This phrase is more than just a simple greeting. It's a window into English culture and social interactions. Get ready to explore its meanings and uses. Hello, stranger, is a phrase used when greeting someone you haven't seen for a while. It's a friendly, often slightly humorous way to acknowledge that it's been some time since the last meeting. This phrase implies a recognition of a familiar person and a hint of surprise or happiness at their appearance. This phrase is typically used in informal settings like meeting a friend, a relative, or a colleague you haven't seen in a while. It's important to use it in a light-hearted and friendly tone to convey warmth and familiarity. The phrase is not suitable for formal situations or when meeting someone for the first time. In English-speaking cultures, hello, stranger, reflects a casual and friendly attitude towards relationships and time. It's common in societies where personal connections are valued but not always maintained regularly. There are variations like, hey, stranger, or long time no see, that carry a similar meaning. 1. Casual meetup. Hello, stranger. It's been ages since we last caught up. How have you been? 2. At work. Hey, stranger. Haven't seen you in the office for a while. How was your vacation? 3. Among friends. Look who it is. Hello, stranger. Join us for a coffee? Hello, stranger, is a charming and friendly phrase that adds warmth to reunions. It's a small but significant part of English conversational culture, reflecting a casual and inclusive approach to relationships. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently. Until next time, goodbye, and hopefully, you won't be a stranger to our channel.